Merry Christmas, everybody. So, hey, this is Chef Flonis. Check it out. Check it out. What? No, not for you, brother. You need to back off. It's my dog, Levi. This is dog Levi. Hey, so today I made chicken Frittata Egg Bites. First time I'm making it. Check it out. Is it this way? Is it this way? Let's see how it tastes. It's my first time. Let me see. Oh, my God. It does taste good. I did it. This is Chef Flonis. Coming straight to you. And it tastes stupendous. Oh my God. I'm making it for the grandkids. But hey, you better hurry up because there won't be enough left. Hey, check out the video that I made.